Hello guys! So for today's video, gagawa ulit tayo ng panibagong vlog natin. So yun. Abang-abang lang kayo guys dahil nag-iisip pa tayo ng bagong content. So para naman ma-enjoy kayo at ma-enjoy nyo din yung panonood. Ngayon kasama ko yung kaibigan ko na si Nas. So gagawa kami ng video dahil one week na palugit ang binigay sa kanya ng teacher niya. So, ngayon yung deadline. So, ngayon nyo lang din gagawin, guys. So, ayun. Gagawin namin ngayon. So, ako naman is tutulungan ko siya para mapadali yung kanyang paggawa ng report.
China Belt Road Initiative China Belt Road Initiative or BRI, sometimes referred as a Silk Road, is one of the most ambitious infrastructure project.
Saan?
Ito
Infrastructure projects.
Oh.
Yan. Infrastructure.
Ano na nakaredy?
Hindi. Ulitin mo yun. Wala na video. Ulitin mo. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. In the decade since the project has expanded to Africa, Oceania, and Latin America, significantly broadening China economics and political influence. Some analysts see the project as an unsettling extension of China's rising power, and as the cause of many
Ulit.
President Joe Biden has maintained his
Ulit.
President Joe Biden has maintained his, but Washington has struggled to offering participating governments a more appealing economic vision. Thank you.
Ox na.
Ox na guys.
So, ayan. Meron kaming copy.
Basic lang po yun guys.
Basic. China's Belt Road. Bye-bye.
Ko or